presenting the third prize, and that school is
They are the representatives of Jowai Civil Hospital.
computer set. Once again, please, a huge round of applause for the second prize winner, QC Springside Higher Secondary School, Jowai. Olympiad on Mathematics, Science and General Knowledge competition. It was held on the 8th of August 2025 at Government Boys Higher Secondary School, Jowai.
Leading the first contingent, the District Police Jowai. A round of applause for the District Police Jowai. Following closely is the esteemed contingent of 61 Meghalaya. The next contingent which follows is the 42 Meghalaya Battalion, Wjhd NCC Jowai, being commanded by County to take the salute is the contingent of the Meghalaya Barrack Scout, Wjhd District, being commanded by Kyrmen.
The spirit of courage and determination. The Meghalaya Bharat West Gentlemen's District approaching the saluting dais, led by Miss. Behind them is the KJPC North Mini Higher Secondary School, Jowai, commanded by Mr. Namren Kongulo. The approaching contingent is from the North Secondary School, Jowai, commanded by Shri Edison Kar. Marching their way towards the saluting dais is the Kyntiew Presbyterian Secondary School, Jowai, commanded by Mr. Mandyam. A huge round of applause for all of them, please. The next contingent approaching the saluting dais is the Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Jowai, commanded by Ms. M. Savaki Prasad.
Making their way forward with pride is a contingent from College Secondary School, Jowai. Please, Father.
We pay homage to the patriots from Meghalaya's soil, Dhiraj Singh, Gyamnamba, and Patagal Sangma. We also honor the members of the defense, paramilitary, and offer us a chance to reflect on the achievement of the past and renew our resolve of the future. In 2018, when the people of Meghalaya placed their trust in the MDA government, the state was faced with several challenges on social, economic, and environmental fronts. We made a commitment that our government will resolve each of these complex problems in a time-bound manner. In the last 7 years, and citizen empowerment. This year has marked a meaningful step forward in Meghalaya's developmental journey.